Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sadia Mehboob from Nursery KG Wing, Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town and Township, Lahore. Kids, today we will talk about general knowledge for nursery, and this is lecture number 2. And our topic is about birds. You know, birds are those who can fly through their wings. Kids, let us meet some birds. Sparrow. Sparrow is a cute and tiny bird. It chirps very beautifully. Crow. Crow is a clever bird. Its color is black. Kids, there is also a story about crow. Thirsty crow, you know. Pigeon. Pigeon is an innocent bird. Kids, you know, in ancient times, pigeon was used to deliver letters. Parrot. Parrot has beautiful colors. It can speak like human beings. It is fond of eating fruits. Eagle. Eagle is a very strong bird. Kids, you know, an eagle have powerful vision to see his prey. Peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird. It dances when its wings are open. I know, kids, you love to see its dance. Kids, there are so many other birds also, but these are the most common birds we ever seen in our life. Okay, now we will meet with another video, kids. Till then, Allah Hafiz and thank you for watching.